Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Lana English Podcast. I am Lana, and I am so happy to see you, hear you again today.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back, everyone. Honestly, Lana, I was looking at our community comments this morning, and I just felt so proud. Our listeners are so dedicated.
Oh, absolutely. If you are listening to this right now, we want to say we are proud of you. Yes, you. Learning a language is a journey, and the fact that you showed up today means you are doing the work. You are being consistent.
Exactly. Consistency is the secret sauce. And since you're already here, why not make it official? If you're new to the Lana English channel, please hit that subscribe button.
Yes, do it now. If you don't subscribe, Jack might try to sing at the end of the episode. And trust me, nobody wants that. Save yourselves.
Hey, my singing isn't that bad. But seriously, join the family. We love having you here.
Talking about something everyone asks us. How do I learn English fluently?
It's the big question. And today, we're going to give you the best English tips for new learners. We'll talk about how to start, how to keep going, and we even have a simple English conversation between two friends, Emme and Rob, to help you practice your listening.
That's right. We're going to break that conversation down, repeat the important parts, and make sure you feel confident. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear plan for your English journey.
But before we dive in, if you missed our last few episodes about common mistakes or daily routines, make sure to go back and listen to those too. They are perfect for building your foundation.
All right, let's get into it. Jack, when someone says, I want to be fluent, what's the first piece of advice you give them?
I always say, start small. Don't try to learn 100 words a day. You'll burn out.
I agree. It's like exercise. If you try to run a marathon on your first day, you'll never want to run again.
Exactly. So tip number 1, focus on phrases, not just single words.
That is such a good tip. Instead of just learning the word water, learn, can I have some water? It gives the word a home. It makes it useful.
Right. And tip number 2, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are just proof that you are trying.
I love that. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Let's repeat that for our listeners.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
One more time, everyone. Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
When I learned my second language, I used to say the wrong things all the time. I once told a waiter I was pregnant instead of full after dinner.
Oh no, Jack, that's hilarious. But did you die? No, you learned, and I bet you never made that mistake again.
Never. It's a core memory now.
My tip number 3 is listen to English every single day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. This is why our podcast is great for you. You can listen while you wash the dishes or walk the dog.
10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Let's say that again for everyone. 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
It's all about training your ears. Your brain needs to get used to the rhythm and the sounds of English.
Section 2, the conversation. Emme and Rob.
Speaking of listening, I think it's time for our English conversation section. I agree. Today we are going to listen to Emme and Rob. They are friends, and they are meeting up to talk about their day.
This is a very simple daily conversation. Listen closely to the words they use.
Hi, Rob. How are you today?
Hi, Emme. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am a little tired. I worked a lot today.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I love coffee.
Me too. Let's go to the cafe.
Great idea. Let's go. That was a great, simple conversation. Now let's look at what they said. This is the best way to learn, by repeating and understanding.
Let's start with the first sentence. Emme said, Hi, Rob. How are you today?
This is a classic greeting. Let's repeat it together. Listen and repeat after me. How are you today?
How are you today?
Again, how are you today?
It's so much better than just saying, How are you? Adding today makes it feel more personal and natural.
Then Rob replied, I am good, thank you.
This is a very polite and clear way to answer. Let's repeat. I am good, thank you.
I am good, thank you.
One more time. I am good, thank you.
Then Rob said something very common. She said, I am a little tired.
Oh, I say this every morning. Let's practice this one. It's very useful. I am a little tired.
I am a little tired.
And again, I am a little tired.
Notice she said a little. It makes the sentence softer. She isn't exhausted. She's just a little tired.
Then she explained why. She said, I worked a lot today.
I worked a lot today.
Let's repeat that. I worked a lot today.
Once more. I worked a lot today.
Rob is a good friend, so he said, I am sorry to hear that. This is a great phrase to use when someone tells you something slightly bad.
Yes, it shows empathy. Repeat after Jack. I am sorry to hear that.
I am sorry to hear that.
I am sorry to hear that.
Then he asked a question. Do you want some coffee?
The magic question. Coffee fixes everything. Let's practice. Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Do you want some coffee?
Emmy's answer was, yes, please. I love coffee.
Don't forget the please. It's so important in English. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
And then Rob said, let's go to the cafe.
Let's go is a short way of saying, let us go. It's a suggestion. Let's repeat. Let's go to the cafe.
Let's go to the cafe.
Let's go to the cafe.
Finally, Emmy said, great idea. Let's go.
Great idea. Let's go.
Great idea. Let's go.
Great idea. Let's go.
Whew. Great job repeating those, everyone. My voice is getting a little tired. Maybe I need some coffee like Rob and Emma.
Not yet, Jack. We have more tips to share. We want our listeners to be the best English speakers they can be.
You're right. Okay, tip number 4. Speak out loud.
This is huge. Even if you are alone in your room, talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing.
Like, I am opening the fridge. I am looking for cheese. There is no cheese. I am sad.
Exactly. It sounds silly, but it connects your brain to your mouth muscles.
Speak out loud. Let's repeat that. Speak out loud.
Speak out loud.
Tip number 5. Use a translator, but don't rely on it.
That's a smart one. Translators are great for single words, but they often get sentences wrong because they don't understand feelings or context.
Right. Try to describe the word you don't know instead of just looking it up immediately. It's a great brain exercise.
And tip number 6, find a partner.
Like us, we are your partners.
Yes, but also find someone you can text or talk to. Even if you just send one message a day in English, it helps.
Find a partner.
Find a partner.
Lana, why do we repeat things so much in this podcast?
Because repetition is the mother of learning. Your brain needs to hear a word or a phrase many times before it becomes permanent.
It's true. Think about your favorite song. You didn't learn the lyrics the first time you heard it. You learn them because you listened to it 20 times.
Exactly. That's why we tell our listeners to listen to previous episodes. Each time you listen, you hear something new.
Listen to previous episodes.
Listen to previous episodes.
Listen to previous episodes.
See? Now they will definitely remember to do it.
We really are proud of our audience. Consistency is hard. Life gets busy. You have work, family, chores, but you are here.
We are so happy to have you here again. If you are feeling frustrated, just remember, everyone starts at the beginning. Even the most fluent speakers once didn't know how to say hello.
That's a beautiful thought, Lana.
Let's go back to Rob and Emmy for a second. Why was their conversation so effective?
Because it used high-frequency English. These are words we use every single day.
Words like good, tired, work, and go.
If you master these simple words, you can survive almost any situation in an English-speaking country.
Let's practice a few more common daily sentences that weren't in the script, but are very similar.
Okay, how about I am hungry?
Good one. Repeat after Jack. I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
How about what time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
And my favorite, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
These are small building blocks. If you stack enough blocks, you build a house. If you learn enough sentences, you speak a language.
You know, Jack, I remember when I first started teaching English on the Lana English Channel, I was nervous. I thought, will people understand me? And look at you now. Thousands of people are learning from you. It's because I didn't stop. That's the only difference between a beginner and an expert. The expert is just a beginner who didn't quit.
The expert is just a beginner who didn't quit. I like that. Let's say that again.
The expert is just a beginner who didn't quit.
The expert is just a beginner who didn't quit.
So if you feel like you are not making progress, please don't quit. You are doing better than you think.
And remember, the Lana English Podcast is always here to support you. We want to be the friends you sit with while you learn.
Speaking of friends, Jack, did you subscribe to the channel yet?
Lana, I work here.
I know, but I want to see the number go up. Everyone, be like Jack, but better, and subscribe. It helps us make more of these episodes for you.
And it's free. It's the best way to support free education.
Before we wrap up today's episode, let's review our English tips for new learners one more time. Jack, what was the first one?
Tip number 1. Focus on phrases, not just words.
Tip number 2, mistakes are proof that you are trying.
Tip number 3. Listen to English every single day. 10 minutes is enough.
Tip number 4, speak out loud. Talk to your cat, talk to your mirror, just talk.
Tip number 5. Use a translator, but don't rely on it. Try to explain the word first.
And tip number 6, find a partner. Connect with others.
And the bonus tip? Listen to previous episodes.
Yes, don't forget that one. Repetition is key.
Repetition is key.
Repetition is key.
Repetition is key.
Okay, I think they got it.
I feel really good about today's show. We covered a lot.
We did. We learned about fluency, we heard a conversation between Rob and Emme, and we practiced a lot of repetition.
To our listeners, you are amazing. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We know you have many choices, and we are honored that you chose the Lana English Podcast.
We are so proud of your hard work. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep smiling. English is a tool that will open so many doors for you.
Next time, we're going to talk about English for shopping. You don't want to miss it.
Oh, that's going to be a fun one. I love shopping. Jack, you might need to bring your wallet for that episode.
Oh no, I think I hear my phone ringing. I have to go.
Nice try, Jack.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.